Let's move to Heat 2 of the men's 200 metres T37.
Well, the way they go around the corner. At first I thought they'd been called back, but not to be. It's on the outside there. It's Mohamed, the Egyptian, who's taken the lead. He's being chased down by Du TOIT on the outside, but it's the Egyptian, Mostafa, Fathalla, Mohamed, who's there in second place. Can Du TOIT hold on? Coming through on the inside, though, it's the Russian KOBESOV who takes second place. So there we have our three. Mohamed in first place there, coming through in 24.51 to win the race. And that